Have you ever heard someone say, "If you eat meat, you're just like any other animal"? Well, not quite. Yes, animals hunt. Yes, they eat meat. But here's the difference. We don't eat like animals. We clean our food. We cook it. We make it taste better, sometimes even beautiful. Unlike animals, humans don't just eat for survival. We cook with intention, creativity, and culture. That alone says a lot about us. Thousands of years ago, philosophers like Aristotle called us rational animals. Aristotle called humans rational animals because he believed that reason, or rationality, is the key feature that separates humans from all other animals. Here's a breakdown of what he meant. 1. We share some traits with animals. Aristotle observed that like other animals, humans eat, sleep, reproduce, feel emotions, sense the world, through sight, smell, hearing, etc. So in that way, we are animals too. But only humans can reason. According to him, what sets us apart is, we can think logically. We can reflect on our actions. We can make ethical choices. We can question our existence, morality, and purpose. The moment we learned to use fire to cook food, it wasn't just survival anymore. It was the birth of culture. In 2009, Harvard scientist Richard Wrangham made a bold claim. Cooking literally changed our biology. By cooking, we saved time chewing, absorbed more energy, and grew bigger brains. Cooking didn't just make us human. It helped create the modern human brain. Even chimpanzees, our closest relatives, prefer cooked food. A 2015 study by cognitive scientist Felix Warneken and psychologist Alexandra Rosati, published in the journal Proceedings of the Royal Society B, found that chimpanzees consistently chose cooked food over raw food, especially when it came to items like sweet potatoes. Highlights from the study. When presented with both raw and cooked versions of the same food side by side, chimps chose the cooked one. They even gave up immediate raw food to wait for cooked food later, showing delayed gratification. In some cases, they even traded raw food for cooked food, indicating an understanding of its higher value. But can chimps make fire? Can they season, clean, plate? Nope. And here's where your thought stands out. It's not just about energy or survival. It's about refinement. We wash meat. We season it with spices that kill bacteria. We plate it in ways that reflect emotion, culture, and identity. That's not just eating, that's storytelling. Animals don't do that. Only we do. So yes, we may eat animals, but what separates us is how we treat that food, how we turn raw into art, how we connect through taste. Cooking is not just a human habit, it's a human signature. We're not just eaters, we're creators. And maybe that's what being human truly means.